Okay, tonight on Can I Microwave This? We are gonna put that egg in this microwave, okay? I already know the outcome is gonna be nothing. But am I sure about that?
Dun, 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 dun.
Let's see. My cell phone's going off.
Oh, I thought that was Michael Myers.
But it only needs to be in there for a minute, I heard. Nah, not a minute. Put in 2 minutes, I guess.
I think I should do that way for it. Take all this shit up.
Yeah. You're gonna have to stand over here when I do it. But you're gonna have to open the door too. That sound is me pumping my BB gun.
He shot me with it.
He's not lying. I have shot him with it.
It hurts.
I shot him right in the foot.
And in the ass.
Ugh. As you can see, really nothing is really happening to the egg. As I said, nothing will happen to the egg while it's in the microwave. No one said anything about me opening the microwave and doing some extra outforce. Give it another 30 seconds in case something actually does happen.
Yeah.
You smell that?
I want some boiled eggs.
I'm hungry. Okay, I think it's time to open it.
Damn thing's hard as a fish to open.
Okay, watch the egg.
Can I zoom in on this thing?
Huh?
Is there any way for me to zoom in?
I don't know. Up top. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Just keep your eye on the egg. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Awesome! Oh shit! Don't curse on camera.